All right, so I want to report the installation process for the TurboSmart n63 compact DV replacement DV valves for the X550. And you know, I found the only way to install these was to take one turbo out. I took that and these two V bands off, and here is the right turbo. I took this off the oil line because there's no way to screw on this T27 right there. Okay, these top ones fine, these bottom ones impossible. Nothing, no tool I have a lot of tools. Anyways, just wanted to report that. Now, I measured the size of this with the stock units, and height-wise, they look pretty similar, maybe almost identical. I don't know about this width though. So this may, when I put this turbo back, it may not fit. You know, it may be off a little bit, but we'll see. I'll make another video in addition, edit it into this one. The reason why I changed these was because the original diverter valves were giving me the low pressure. You can't see it here, but this one's cracked. Don't know if you can see that. There's a hairline fracture right there. See? Cracked inside and I think outside too, if I keep looking carefully, but trust me, it was the slightest acceleration would give the check engine light, half engine light. So you know, I replaced upgraded all the vacuum components, you know, vanos, solenoids, everything you could think of related to boost, and that was the only thing. And sure enough, both units were cracked. So hopefully this will hold boost indefinitely without any problems.